There's Kitty. There he is. Why were you in there, huh, Kitty? Huh, Kitty? Are you scared now? You're not gonna do it anymore? What's up, Kitty? How was it? Oh, now you're gonna go in too? Oh, great. Yep. That's what I wanted. Yep, how'd you know? How did you know? Yep. Just keep doing it. God damn it, Kitty. No. Are you gonna get locked in there too now? Good guy, Kitty. Is it cold? Went out? You don't care. You're an idiot. You're so stupid. What do you have to say for yourself, Kitty? You say I'm the dumbest kitty in the world? Yeah?